Hello everyone, in this class we are going to learn the T into ds equations. There are two equations, first TdS equation and second TdS equation. Okay, from the Maxwell's first thermodynamic relations we get dou S by dou V at T, that is the partial differentiation of entropy with respect to volume at constant temperature T. It is equal to the partial differentiation of pressure with respect to temperature at constant volume V. As entropy S is the function of temperature T and volume V, and since ds is the perfect differential, we have the equation ds is equal to dou S by dou T at volume V into dt plus dou S by dou V at T into dV. Okay, then multiply both sides by temperature T. We get T into ds is equal to T into dou S by dou T at V into dt plus T into dou S by dou V at T into dV. That is the equation first. But we have already know that the T into dou S by dou T at volume V is equal to dou Q by dou T at V. It is the molecular specific heat at constant volume V, and dou S by dou V at T is equal to the dou P by dou T at V. Then equation first becomes, we can put these values of dou S by T into dou S by dou T at V and the dou S by dou V at T. Putting these two values, we can get the equation T into dou ds is equal to Cv into dt plus T into dou P by dou T at V into dV. This is known as the first TdS equation. Okay, this is the first TdS equation. We can consider first the Maxwell first thermodynamic relations, then further it can be solved and we get the relation T into ds is equal to Cv into dt plus T into dou P by dou T at V into dV. This is the first TdS equation. Then the second TdS equation we can derive from the Maxwell's second thermodynamic relation, that is dou S by dou P at T is equal to minus dou V by dou T at P. This is the Maxwell's second thermodynamic relation. We already learned that the entropy is the function of temperature and the pressure P, and since ds is the perfect differential, we can write ds is equal to dou S by dou P at P into dt plus dou S by dou P at T into dP. Okay, because ds is the perfect differential. Then multiplying both sides by T, we get T ds is equal to T into dou S by dou T at P into dt plus T into dou S by dou P into dP. This is the equation first. Then calculate the T into dou S by dou T at P and dou S by dou P at T. Okay, we learn that T into dou S by dou T at P, it is equal to dou Q by dou T at P, that is the molecular specific heat at constant pressure Cp, and dou S by dou P at temperature T, it is equal to minus dou V by dou T at pressure P. Okay, putting these two values in equation first, we get the second TdS equation. T into ds is equal to Cp into dt minus T into dou V by dou T at P into dP. Okay, this is the second TdS equations. In this class we learn first TdS equation and second TdS equation, and here we completed the chapter. Thank you.